You are watching Easy English with Maria in Nur al-Hikmi Institute. In today's program, we will learn how to talk about things which happen frequently, grammatically correct. For example, you want to describe your or someone's typical day. So how should you do it? At the beginning, we will watch a video.
There he goes. Same routine every day.
Yeah, I've been noticing that. Starts with his lucky cup.
But he has to check it for dust.
Now he pours the coffee.
And always over pours.
But then he pours some back.
Now watch. He taps the sugar 5 times.
One, 2, 3,
4, 5.
All right, now watch his face. This is where he realizes that it isn't sweet enough.
So he adds another.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
Let's recall some of the actions.
Now he pours the coffee.
And always over pours.
So they say he pours the coffee and always over pours. They talk about something that their job partner does repeatedly. One more episode.
Now watch. He taps the sugar 5 times.
So he says he taps the sugar 5 times. So he talks about his everyday routine. Again, it's a repeated action. Here we can see a timeline. You see past, present and future. We use present simple when we talk about regular actions, some repeated actions. That's why we often use present simple with such words as every day, usually or always. For example, let's look at this picture. She usually wakes up at 7 o'clock. Let's look at another picture. They eat pancakes for breakfast every day. And this one. He always shows up late for work. Now let's try to analyze the structure. She wakes up at 7 o'clock. At the beginning, we have subject, she. Then we have action, wakes up. We use the verb in a simple form, she wakes up. Or they eat pancakes for breakfast. Again, at the beginning we have subject, they. And then we have action, eat. The verb eat is in a simple form, no endings. And he shows up late for work. Again, you can see we have subject, he, and action, shows up. All actions are in a simple form. We don't have any endings. At the beginning, we will always have a subject, then we will have an action. Now it's time for you to practice. I want you to talk about your daily life. Right now, you will see some pictures, and I will ask you about your daily routine. Okay? So, the first picture. Tell me about your morning. What do you do? Yes, your answer is I get up at 6 o'clock. Now let's talk about breakfast. Okay, so you should say I have toast, honey and a cup of coffee for breakfast. And the last picture. Tell me please about your evening. So, if I ask you, what do you do in the evening? You will answer, I watch TV. Very good. I hope that you understand everything that I have explained to you today. Now I have a special task for you. After watching this video, leave a comment and write down up to 5 sentences about your everyday life, about your typical day. So, thank you my dear friends. This was program Easy English with Maria. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Goodbye.